Hi folks, Terry back with part 3 of my summer project series, and what I want to show you is a Marx 6000 Southern Pacific dummy engine. At least that's what it started as, but I have replaced the rear truck with a Marx micro motor. The way I did this, I placed a stud on top of the motor with epoxy putty, and then attached it via a screw up through the top, drilled a hole in the top, and gave me a Marx 6000 with micromotor. Now, Ben over at Ben's Trains, he did an extensive video on it. I'll put the link in the description of this video, so, if you want to do it yourself. That's where I learned to do it, and he really does give a really extensive in-depth look on it. I just want to let you see it running. I'm mainly doing this for Ben because he wanted to see how it turned out. So here we go, a Marx 6000 with Marx micromotor, converting a B or dummy unit into a powered locomotive. Turn power on, and there she goes. A little noisy, but it is running. So I want to let you see that run. Do a quick video. As I said, a Marx 6000. Picked it up on eBay, the dummy, for $1.50 plus, I think that was like $7.50 to ship it. I had the micromotor. I've had this micromotor for years. It was out of a Marx 490 that belonged to one of my brothers. It's older than I am, but as you see, it's running, and it's pulling that really nice. As I said, Marx 6000 dummy. It's a Ford-only motor, but it does pull this. And it's pulling quite well. It can pull significantly more, but I have a small track here to test it on. I want to show you that. As I said, it's a very easy project to do. It's part 3 of what I've been doing over the summer. Making some locomotives out of parts that I had. And now I have 3 new locomotives, the Commodore Vanderbilt, the 999, and this Marx 6000 diesel. And I built them pretty much myself out of parts that I have. As I said, this is a little noisy with that metal body, but it does run. So I'm going to do a video to document it. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions or comments, like I said, you can email me at terrystrains@gmail.com. And thank you for watching.